Wait. What do you think? What is happening here? Right? Actually, it's our Zoology ma'am's birthday. We are thrilled to celebrate this special day. Zoology ma'am's dedication, passion, and loves for teaching have made significant impact on our class. We are grateful for her tireless effort to make zoology accessible and engaging for all. So let's get started.
You are so sweet. Oh my god. Thank you so much.
Actually, we prepared a birthday video for ma'am, so the connection is going on. Then we will see.
എല്ലാം കണ്ടപ്പോ മിസ്സിനെ ഗസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. പിന്നെ ഒരാളുടെ ബർത്ത്ഡേ ആണ്. അതാരുടെ ബർത്ത്ഡേ? നമുക്ക് ഒരുപാട് സ്നേഹമുള്ള നമ്മുടെ ഏറ്റവും പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട ഒരാളുടെ ബർത്ത്ഡേ. ആ ആള് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് എത്ര സ്പെഷ്യൽ ആണെന്ന് ചിലപ്പോ ഈ വീഡിയോ കണ്ടാൽ മനസ്സിലാവും. ഹായ് മാം, അപ്പൊ എനിക്ക് മാമിനോട് ആകെ ഒന്നും പറയാനില്ല. ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ ടു യു. മാം വരുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്താ പറയുക, ശരിക്കും വെളിച്ചില്ലാത്തൊരു ക്ലാസ്സിലായിരുന്നു ഞങ്ങൾ. ഇപ്പൊ ലൈറ്റ് ഒന്നും നല്ല അർത്ഥം, പക്ഷെ മാം വന്നതിന് ശേഷമാണ് എനിക്ക് സുഹൃത്ത് ശരിക്കും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട് പഠിക്കാൻ തുടങ്ങിയത്. അപ്പൊ മാമിനെ എനിക്ക് അത്ര ഇഷ്ടമാണ്. ലവ് യു, ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ. I really love the way you teach, and I really don't want you to go from here and leave us alone. I really want you to teach us for the whole lifetime, and I don't care wherever you are going. I'll be stuck behind you asking you doubts, questions, and everything that I want to. And you're a great teacher and mentor, and I wish you a really happy birthday.
Thank you.
Ma'am, आपको जन्मदिनाला हार्दिक शुभेच्छा असं म्हणा.
Thank you.
Ma'am, happy birthday.
ఇలాంటి బర్త్డేలు మరి ఎన్నో చదువుకోవాలని ఇలాంటి టీచర్ నాకు రావడం నేను ఎంతో లక్కీగా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాను. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
You're such a good inspiration for us. We are being filled with lots of joy and happiness. Thank you. I was English తెలుగు తెలియకపోవచ్చు, బట్ ఐ హెల్ప్ టు ట్రాన్స్లేట్ ఇట్. అండ్ పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఫ్రమ్ ద బాటమ్ ఆఫ్ మై హార్ట్, నా హృదయ లోతుల నుంచి మీకు విష్ చేస్తున్నాను. మీకు హ్యాపీ విషెస్ చెప్తున్నాను. మీరు ఇలాగే ఎన్నో బర్త్డేస్ చేసుకోవాలని, మాకే కాదు ఇంకా చాలా మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ మీ టీచర్స్ వెళ్ళాలి. వాళ్ళ లైఫ్లో ఏవైతే ఫియర్స్ ఉన్నాయో, మాకు ఎట్లా మీరు హెల్ప్ చేస్తున్నారో ఆ ఫియర్స్ని ఓవర్కమ్ చేయాలి. వాళ్ళకు కూడా మీరు హెల్ప్ చేయాలి. నాకు వెరీ గుడ్ స్మైల్. Like just in the first class, helping you that we were in the right hands. You are not like a teacher for us, but a very you, the expressions when you read with so much excitement. It just fills our heart with so much joy. And we are so.
Have a look. How beautiful is the cake? Yes. Yay! It's cake time. So let's celebrate. Hey, Uday. ಅದು ನಕ್ಕೋಲ ಅದೇ ಇನ್ನಲೆ ತರ ಯೂಸ್
അവള് ഫോട്ടോ എടുക്കുന്ന വീഡിയോ എടുക്കപ്പോ ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. It's the surprise. We arranged a small kitty party.
Oh my god. It's a feast or what?
इसको रख दे ऐसे
Just this. You also eat the wine?
You just taste it first.
Yes.
The thing is, this is the first time she is going to taste the pani puri. So we are waiting for the reaction. Wow, nice. So maximum of our friends are going to taste the pani puri first time. Let's capture the reaction.
Fatma will give reaction. चले जाओ अब नहीं हो रहा तो बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट रिएक्शन ओके
No words.
Yeah, really.
Exactly our situation.
Really, she is so good. Such a great personality.
Not going to be teachers now.
I hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to comment below how you celebrate your teacher's birthday. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.